Okay, see, before you do any business, you understand this is the first thing you are going to do. This is the foundation of your own business. Okay, if you don't do this one, I don't think your business is going to be successful. But this is the foundation of your business. Okay, just watch the explanation here. Okay, when you get to this page, there are a lot of explanation to this page, but what I'm going to tell you is whatever it is that is your own business link or your website that you are promoting, this is the site that you want to come put it. Okay, now look at the way I put my own. This is where I put my website link. Okay, don't worry now about the link of this app. Don't worry, I will put the link of this app. How you gonna come here and register and secure yourself? I will put the link under this video for you. You understand? Okay. But when you get into this app the first time through the link I'm gonna put under the video, this is the page you're gonna see. Okay, because they're gonna tell you introduction and this, but all you just want to do is register yourself. After you register yourself, go to your profile. Like you can see profile on the low. Go to your profile, put your picture just like this, and then you put your intro. Your intro, like the way I put my intro. You see, your intro should be that link you are trying to promote. It should never change. It should be the only one everywhere. Okay? You see how I put my link. You see that two people have gone to like it. Two people. It means two people have seen this link and they have visit and they like it. Okay? This is how you will leave it alone. Your intro. After you do your profile, okay, your profile, then you do your intro. Then on this site, it will be appearing like this. Okay? All right. And people, they will be seeing it. Look at other people's own. Okay, look at other people's own. These people here are people that love to see links, people that want to make money, same like you. So when you put your profile here and you put your link, everything is okay. So by the time you put your link, okay, you're gonna come to ads. Okay, you're gonna come to ads. Then you're gonna write the same ad the way you did it on your bio. Okay, it's gonna be the same. Let it be the same. As you can see, my own, it is the same. Okay, with the same link. The link has not changed. Okay, that is just the three things you are supposed to do, and you wait for my next video instruction. Okay, the link to get to this page, I will put it under this video. The only thing you are going to do is the thing I explain in this video. Don't do more than that.